What's up, guys? We haven't been here in a long time. Full of trucks. It's on a Sunday morning, so we'll see. Anyway, not too windy. Last couple of days has been windy as. Anyway, we're going to try 2S, 3S and 4S. We've got the Dynamite Speedo GPS in there now. Let's just have a look and see how it goes. And we can adjust the wing setting. So the wing is, let's see the difference. So the wing is, let's put it, we can change it. Let's do most downforce and then we'll put the low downforce. Do a couple of runs. This is just on stock 2S. Let's see what that did. Have a look. "47 kilometers an hour." Alrighty. Interesting. Let's put the 3S in. Alright, 3S in this guy now. I'll just do the same setting. We'll do a couple of runs with the wing full downforce and the other less downforce. Didn't bother with 2S. Not going to get much difference with that. So let's see how it goes. It's a little bit squirrely now. That's pretty flat out then. Couple more here, check that one's coming. Yep. Now let's change, we're going to change the wing now. Let's see if it makes a difference. No, you can't see it, but there we go. That was a good time. Definitely had full throttle there. Here we go, just checking where it's coming. Nice one. I've turned down the steering wheel rate so it's not so touchy as well. Let's see what it gets. You also have to change the battery, the connector on the ESC, the Modines. I don't have any 4S or 3S that are on the ones that comes with the car. So let's see what I've got. 87. There we go there. 87 kilometers an hour on 3S. Now I'll get, I've got this old school 4S 45C. This is the only thing I have in my arsenal that would kind of fit in here. It doesn't fit with the standard plastic strap thing here, so I always have to put a Velcro strap in. So let's put this in there and let's see what it gets. 4S is in here. Let's see if we can change this. Like I said, I've got a strap around that, so we'll just leave that like that. Hope everything fits. And we'll see how we go. It's a nice day. Not too windy. Yesterday was really bad. After that car gets out of the way, a lot of people just kind of stare and they think, what's going on here? But they're actually in the way. But let's see what we get. I'm thinking 100 Ks. Hope so. Okay. For this guy. There we go. Where is he? Always. See how it goes with the first hit. Oh, yep. Definitely quicker. Alright. I don't know where that guy is. I'll turn around. Heart's racing. Ooh, Gutter was there. Alright, this guy's not coming yet. Let's do another round. Ooh, that's so touchy. Anyone coming, Zach? Mm-hmm. Someone coming? Alright, let's see what that got. for power, that's for sure. I was worried that guy was going to come out of the woodwork and all of a sudden we slam into his front of his Camry. That'll be fun. What did I get? Oh, there we go, 109. Now that was with the wing full low downforce. Let's do one more run. Go back here. And I'll adjust this puppy all the way down. How about that? Let's plug these back in. That was pretty quick, I'm not going to lie. Put these in. Definitely gets your heart rate going, that's for sure. Alright, 109. Let's see if it changes anything. Put this back on. We won't cut it so we know we're not fudging the figures. And obviously you probably could get a better battery, like a better result maybe with a higher C battery. But as it was, that was pretty squirrely. Stock setup, no changes at all to any suspension or anything like that. So full downforce. Yep, full downforce. Alright, let's go. Alright, here we go. Let's just kind of get a feel for these guys not coming. No one's coming this time, Zach? No? Alrighty, here we go. That was a full run for sure. Okay, let's see what that did. Any difference? Let's see how that got. I don't know, looked pretty similar. Oh, 114. So there you go. That's weird. So the low downforce, what you think would cause less drag, actually was slower. But the higher downforce setup with the wing, all the way up here, actually went what, 5k faster. That's impressive. So with this all the way down like that, causing more downforce, would be more drag, actually was quicker. There we go there. That's cool. Interesting, alright. What do you guys reckon? I think I'm in the full sun, but what do you guys reckon? I hope you enjoyed the video. Post what speed you got with your batteries. 2S, 3S and 4S. Like I said, this is stock as a rock. I haven't changed not one thing at all. Fantastic car, it looks amazing, performs well. And I wonder if I could kind of put this into with the throttle setting. So when you're actually putting throttle on, it'll automatically go with your throttle. Like it'll give you downforce and let go, it goes to full. I don't know. Maybe that's something that I can do. But there we go. Let me know what you guys think. Awesome car. These guys are fantastic. They have a dual motor setup as well, which will be friggin' ridiculous. But there's a stock setup. 4S battery on a 45C. Interested to know what your other guys had? Yeah. Awesome.